semua.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that
Sayur,
paid.
kangkung.
I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy.
Kalau ada yang
Hold my beer for a
kena
minute, I'm
penyakit
about to quit
asam
my job,
urat
cash
ini
in
memang
for a
langsung
ticket. I'm
ini.
going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. Oh, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big
Bikin
swing,
apa?
home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never
Bikin
look
apa?
back. Moving on till I get it all. We all got dreams, we all want things, but what you
Asam
gonna do
urat
for
itu.
it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Asam urat langsung jos. Pakai tangan ya Pak, biar cepat.
Yeah, this is my life, my
Pakai
strife, my
tangan
right
biar
to fight,
cepat.
to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got
Gara-gara tidak ada kerja, jadi tidur semua orang-orang.